Okay guys, I'm just doing this really as a test of video settings, but I have this power supply that was from an inflatable outside, Halloween decorations, and this one wasn't working. I already ordered a new one, it's out there, it's working, but this one, let's see if I can get it rolling around again. There we go. Yeah. Doesn't sound too good. And I actually plugged this in. So, it's supposed to be, well, not watertight, rain tight. But it is for outdoor use. Try looking for screws, there's no screws. So we're going to have to pry this open the hard way. And over here, see if I can get the specs. You know, typical 12 volt DC. So, open it up, see what's rattling around. Have a guess what it is, but we'll take a look. Let's see. Get this tape out. It's actually rather thin there. Hopefully it's not too difficult to open. I don't really care for saving this, obviously, so let's see. They could have used some glue around it to try and seal this better. So let's see what I can use to open this bastard up. It's the trusty tape together knife. That's always a good choice. Just want to get something in there just to see what I'm dealing with. Get a little edge in there. Trying to find, yeah, that looks like it's wire there. I really don't care what happens to this, but also at the same time don't want to stab my hand. Okay, let me find something better. Yeah, just dig into a corner of this thing, and I think it's starting to pop open now, finally. I can get, there we go. Yeah, it's just open, I don't care. There we go. Guys, guess what's loose in there? Wow, this thing really doesn't want to let go. Ooh, definitely smells something. Something doesn't smell too good in there. Oh, let's see what that was. Oh. Looks like some water did get in there. Whoa! Oh, that just does not smell good at all. Whew. That shit's kind of rank. What is this? Relay, is it? No, it's not a relay. It's only got 2 pins on it. Tough to tell. It's so damn rusty. Oh, you can see where that popped off. Wow. Yeah, for outdoor use. Ooh. Look at that. Be prepared where you place this outdoors. Ooh. Yeah, that's loose. Oh, I don't know what that smell is. It's horrible. Reeks. I don't know, maybe Clive can let us know it. Jeez. It's not even like a burnt smell. It's, I don't know. Yeah. Well, obviously water got in there. Just rusted the crap away. I mean, really, how can I tell if anything's really decent on here? The condition it's in. Nothing looks popped, just nasty, rusty. Closest thing to anything looking burnt is right in the corner there, but don't know if it's just corroded so badly. But yeah, that's just I don't know. Yeah, so clean up this stench. Wow. Hopefully, well, it was just mainly to see quality of the video. I changed some settings on the camera and try to remember keeping frames, so it's just a test really. Mucking around. Had to find something. Thanks.